Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys my wrapping paper collection. I posted a picture on Instagram asking you guys if you wanted to see my collection so far because I recently started collecting and you guys totally wanted to see it, and here I am to share. So we're starting off with these four. This first one that I'm going to show you guys has super cute little ice creams on it. It's by the name brand Design Focus. A lot of my wrapping paper, you guys, I find at TJ Maxx, Home Goods, or Marshalls. And look at the teal blue in the back. I love it so much. I love the colors of this paper. And you can do so much with wrapping paper. You can make treat bags. You can gift Happy Mail. It's just something fun to have, and I just recently totally got obsessed with it. And we have this one with the flamingo and the banana leaf and the little gold foiling, and it's like a lavender. And this one is by the brand Clementine, which is very popular at like TJ Maxx and Home Goods. And you guys, look at this floral. How beautiful is this paper? It's like a tan and it's textured. And it has the flower with the gold foiling in the center. Very Maggie Holmes. Flowers are totally in right now, especially the little roses. And this one is by Eco Lux. Yes, Eco Lux. It's beautiful. And then I have this one, which has all the little puppy dogs holding gift bags and wearing party hats, holding balloons in their mouth. How cute is this little poodle? And this is by Cynthia Rowley. And these all range between $2.99 and $3.99. I've never seen them like any more or any less. How cute is that puppy right there? And then we have this floral, which is like perfect for summer and spring. I'm loving all the florals. And this one is by, let's see, Bella Lux. Super cute. And then let's see. Then I have this one, which is unicorn. Of course, the unicorn trend is super popular right now. We have the rainbow with glitter, the stars, the pink. So beautiful. Isn't that pretty, you guys? Then we have, oh, and this one is by, let's see. This one is by Lady, what is it? I don't know what it is. It's Lady Jane. Okay. I don't know why I couldn't read that, but this one is by Lady Jane. Then we have this one, which is by Molly and Rex, and it's piñatas. And it has glitter. How fun is this paper? Do you guys see this? Look at that. This is so fun. I cannot wait to play with that one. Then I have this basic one. This is a Hallmark one, and it's just a red with red hearts. I actually found this at my local dollar store, which is not bad for $1, and it's Hallmark. Perfect for Valentine's Day or any time of the year because it has hearts. Then we have this one, which is, I think it's a bulldog, yes. Little bulldogs with nerd glasses and the navy blue and the like polka dots in pink. I love it. This one is also by Cynthia Rowley. Isn't that super cute and fun? And then we have this one with the teal blue and of course the mermaids. Look at that. How cute is she? This one is by Clementine. Super fun. Mermaid trends are huge right now. Then the next one up is this one right here, and you guys, it's cute little ballerina girls with little glitter dresses, little tutus. This one is by Nicole Miller. How beautiful is this paper? Very fun for like a girly swap. I love anything girly. You guys know that. I am like your total girly girl. Then we have this one, which is another fave, and it's also by Nicole Miller. And it's very tropical. A lot of banana leaves, the sunglasses, pineapple, the little parakeets, and like the animal print, the flamingo. How fun is this paper? This is another fave. And then we have this floral, which I've seen so much on YouTube that I'm like, I was searching for this. And I finally came across it and I was so happy to see it. I actually got a gift, I think. Not a gift, yeah, like a gift. Happy Meal package wrapped up in this. I love it so much. It's so pretty. I just love all the colors and the combo. It just goes perfectly. And this one is by Clementine. And I'm sure you guys have seen this one. This one is quite popular, this print. Then we have another floral, which is also textured. And I love the teal on this one and also the flowers. This one is by Cynthia Rowley. She has a lot of nice pretty papers. This one and Clementine are like one of my favorites. And then we have this one by Bella Lux, and this one is just like a beige with some cute bicycles. There's red and blue bicycles. So we have that one. The pile is getting bigger. Then we have this one, which is by Cynthia Rowley. And this one has donuts with like cowboy boots. Look at the little cupcake with like sneakers and like gym socks. How fun is this paper? This one is also a little bit textured. And you guys, I think that's super cheap. It's like $2.99. I don't know how much, like, compare that $5 a roll. So like if you were to buy it from like directly from Cynthia Rowley, you would pay $5. So you get it like $2.99. Next one up is this one by Clementine, and it's cute little puppies again with birthday cake. So it's a good birthday wrapping paper. Little nerd glasses. So cute. And the teal blue. I love when they use that like teal blue color because it's such a cute color and it's so fun for summer and spring and all that warm weather. And then we have this other mermaid one, which is by Design Focus, and this one is more of a metallic, also with the teal blue. Look at that pretty mermaid. How cute is she? I love this one too. Try not to get them to pile over. Then we have this one, which of course is very Maggie Holmes, with the little swans and the teal blue and the pops of pink. I love how the swans have like little crowns. This one is also by Cynthia Rowley. Super pretty, you guys. If you see this, definitely pick it up. It is a must-have. So I'm gonna put some of these back before they like fall over. Just have a few more to show you guys. Are you guys collecting wrapping paper? Let me know down below if you guys are just as obsessed as I am. It is truly an addiction. I constantly look for wrapping paper wherever I go. Even if I go to Walmart, Target, I need wrapping paper. I also have this pink polka dot one. I found this at my local dollar store. This one's super pretty. And then I also have this one that has like cute little donuts and like little popcorn. This is also from the dollar store. We have this one right here that's striped. It looks like a candy cane. Got that one. And another birthday one with cute little ice cream cones, and it says happy birthday. These are my least favorite because I really am like obsessed with the ones from TJ Maxx. Then I have this one, which is also by Clementine, and it's another unicorn one with the same teal blue. You guys see the unicorn? And the rainbow and the stars. Then we have this one right here, and these are camels. Super cute with the hot pink, also by Design Focus. And then we have another puppy one for the birthday by Design Focus as well. And this one looks like this. Look at the little puppies. So many, you guys, with that teal blue. I love it. Then we have this one with the stripes in like all these little colors with the gold polka dots. Also by Clementine. And then we have this one that's by Design Focus, and it's like perfect for the summer. It's like a little parakeet, the zebra, all hanging out in the water in their little floats, just having a good old time eating some ice cream. And then last but not least is one of my favorites, and it's by Bella Lux, and it's this super fun unicorn one with donuts and everything that dreams are made of, you guys. Look at this. How fun is this? This is another one that's like super popular on Instagram and on YouTube. But yeah, you guys, that is my wrapping paper collection, and it's constantly growing. Let me know if you guys collect wrapping paper as well, if you guys are going with the whole crazy trend of wrapping paper. And yeah, thank you guys for stopping by. Don't forget to thumbs up, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.